Looking to add more safety and comfort to your towing ride? Then look no further than Airlift's wireless air control kit. The wireless air system has a dual path technology, allowing you to control each air spring individually for reining in top-heavy or uneven loads. The included heavy-duty compressor puts out a whopping 120 psi to quickly and efficiently deliver air to the system. And the new wireless digital controller allows you to independently adjust your pressures from inside or outside the vehicle. It also offers preset memory functions for ease of use. The wireless air system is also compatible with the new mobile app, offering you even more control and convenience of controlling multiple vehicle systems from one controller. Airlift builds and tests their systems to be weather resistant and durable. Should anything go wrong, they offer a 2-year warranty and a 60-day money-back guarantee if you are not completely satisfied with your system for any reason. If you're interested in purchasing Airlift's wireless air control kit or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.